Okay, so this is the barbell bench press. Just like everything else with the barbell, I want you to first start by just using the barbell as your weight until you get used to the movement. Then you can start adding weight to it. So when you lay down the bar on the bench, you're gonna want your eyes to be directly underneath the bar. Okay, so if you look straight up, you're gonna wanna be facing the bar. You're gonna wanna be seeing the bar when you look straight up, okay? You're gonna want your feet in about your squat width stance. You can't really see it, but whatever your squat stance is, you want your feet there. And you're gonna wanna drive your feet into the ground like you're pushing the floor away from you. So almost like you're pushing yourself back on the bench, okay? So that's your feet position. You wanna have a slight arc in your lower back. You want your shoulder blades back and down like this. And this should be the position that you bench in every single rep. So I like to grab the bar slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Make sure it's even. You can line your thumbs up with these little lines on the bar. Okay, make sure everything's nice and tight. Driving with my feet. I got that arch in my back, shoulder blades back and down, eyes directly facing the bar. Now I'm ready to lift it off. So lift it off, ready to go. The first move is gonna be acting like I'm driving my elbows down to my sides. So I'm driving my elbows down to my sides. I want the bar to touch my chest, right below my chest, okay? And then you're not gonna press it straight up or out. You're gonna press it back towards your face, like that. So pick a spot on the ceiling and don't move your eyes. And then you're gonna bring the bar down right below your chest and then press it back up towards your face. And you don't want your elbows flaring out. You don't want them too close. You want them at about a 45-degree angle. And you're gonna keep those shoulder blades back and down the whole time and go nice and slow. Then rack it. And that's how you bench press.